beginning to our work week, but I think it's going to be an active end to it. Let's talk about the quiet first. Live looking right now, Gatlinburg in Sevier County from Ripley's Aquarium of the Smokies, and it's very nice out there. There are 68 degrees. We're 71 for Knoxville and Maryville, but look at the upper 50s to low 60s across the plateau into Kentucky. Again, it's because of the dry air that we have in place. Comfort Cast showing dry to comfortable conditions for just about everybody, and that means it's going to cool off quickly tonight. Temperatures dropping close to 60 here, but low to mid 50s across portions of the plateau into Kentucky, and even some low to mid 40s across the higher elevations of the Smokies. Tomorrow, a few degrees warmer than today, upper 70s to low 80s. We hit 80 today, by the way, but 86 is average, so we're still going to be below that tomorrow. A little closer Wednesday to average, upper 80s. Winds start to increase out of the southwest a little bit, and it's a little more humid. So this 87 is going to feel more like 89, and there'll be some heat index values close to 90. I know it's not like triple digits like several days ago, but I just wanted to point out that that warmth, that humidity will return after the next 24 hours. Wednesday, especially Thursday into Friday, a tropical feel across the area. Speaking of a tropical feel, the tropics are heating up. About a 50% chance of a developing tropical system in the Gulf over the next couple of days. I show you that because our forecast model indicates it would come onshore. Maybe some gusty winds as we go through the Ark-La-Tex later Thursday into Friday across the area and making its way up across the Mississippi River. So we'll see how this pans out, but it looks like the main core of this is going to be staying southward. But we're going to see some gusty winds across our area, combination of a cold front to the north and that area of low pressure to the south. But the bigger impact is the amount of moisture this system's going to pull off of the Gulf. You can see a lot of that darker red, almost purple shading. That's high moisture content in the air Wednesday. I talked about the combination of the cold front coming in from the north, moisture coming up from the south. So this is Thursday, heavy rain possible to our south. Maybe a chance of some thunderstorms Thursday, and then we'll see how far north this area of low pressure is. The farther south, it's mainly a rain event. If it's a little further north, we may get some stronger storms. But regardless, this front will move through, and we'll see some drier conditions in here as we go into the weekend. But in the short term, Thursday into Friday, at least the possibility of some heavy rainfall, maybe flooding in our area, but more likely that's going to be down to the south. So that's what we'll watch late week, Thursday into Friday. Late day storms Thursday into some lingering showers and storms on Friday. But the weekend is looking quieter. Look at the morning lows in the low 60s. It'll be similar to what we're expecting over the next couple of nights, Bo.
All right, Ken, thank you. Sports